Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating simple connection and control issues. Make sure the HDMI cable is seated and the TV or receiver is on the correct input. A loose cable can mute audio instantly. Next, pair or repair the Siri remote by holding back and volume up until pairing appears, because an unpaired remote won't control volume. Once done, restart the Apple TV from Settings system, restart so cache is clear, and the device renegotiates audio with your TV or receiver. Now dive into audio negotiation. Go to Settings Video and Audio and set audio format to stereo or PCM. This forces compatibility if the receiver rejects Dolby formats. While there, temporarily disable HDMI-CC to see whether the TV or an AVR is stealing volume commands. This isolates the problem. Also confirm audio output and surround sound settings match your setup. Incorrect output, TV speakers versus external receiver, causes no sound scenarios. Make changes, then test playback to verify the Apple TV and audio device speak the same language. Finish by ensuring software and state are clean. Check and install any TV OS updates because firmware fixes can restore volume control. If updates don't help, perform a reset via Settings System Reset. This removes settings but preserves your account, and it forces a fresh audio handshake. Finally, if volume still fails, try the Apple TV with another TV or receiver. This single test answers whether the Apple TV is the problem or if the external device requires attention. If it works elsewhere, repair the other device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.